Okay, so sometimes you need to make some changes in your wireless network adapter. Okay, so how to do this? Click on the start menu, type here device manager and click on device manager. So it will load new window. Here you need to locate and expand network adapters. And you need to locate your network adapter, wireless network adapter, right click on it and click on properties. So it should open a new window like this one. Here you need to click on advanced. So here we need to locate preferred band. Once you locate it, you can change your to 5 MHz here. Once done, click on OK, close all windows and restart your computer. When you will try to connect to internet, it may ask you to enter password again.